Okay, so I have both these snacks to my rabbits. And as they didn't like the previous one, I hope like this one is, I'm gonna try something new again. So let's just jump straight into it. Oops, don't. Yes, there is a touch, yes. They should not get full this bag at once, as it's too much to get guide them. I'm going to just get a little taste first. And I have recently been up shopping in Kristiansand, so I'm going to try to feed them with this snacks. Let's see. Oh, there are you, Hennika. And where are you? Let's see. I hope they have peed there. Peed there and stain, but it isn't everything. No, I don't hope. Whoops, there was. No, Maja, go back. There's nothing here to do. There. Go. Let's just guide them small. But because this candy, this is this, and do still have the, whoa, no, now we have peed a lot on the floor again. So now, let's see, I have to spread just a bit of this white sand. This is like a towel, one-time towel. Now let's see about do you like it. I hope you do enjoy it. So we're going to cut a little bit of this into this bowl. Not open this in case if you don't like it. Just shut this. Let's see now. You get curious now. I'm enough to taste this. Let's see. Yeah, they seem to like it. And that is this for this video. And now they are nice for rabbits. Please feed them out, like and subscribe. And see you next time. Goodbye.